Otherwise, you will look at me and measure me and look at me and say, you have forgotten something. There's something that you've forgotten. And then I would recall my head is not covered, so I have to go and get a covering for my head. Very young and naive. I now look at it and think, I was still young. Right now, I don't wear this. I wear it, of course, if I want to, but not to be told that you have got to cover your head because you're coming into my car. A lot of women, we stay in these relationships with, you mustn't walk like that, you cannot wear these shoes, you cannot wear makeup, you cannot wear a lipstick, no, you cannot wear a dress which is short, you have got to make sure that your dress is long enough. You are told everything that, of your dignity as a woman, just because you are married and someone looks at you and starts measuring you up like a cup of flour. I was in that situation where I couldn't go in the car without wearing something to cover my head.